What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy FaTkaT again, bringing you another one, man. Cat Nation, stand the fuck up, please. Let's go, man. We are here, man. We're driving through Orlando. Got to pick up my mother today, cause man, she's been over there going through it. Cause obviously she is, you know, ever since my mother's a very, anybody that knows my mother, they know that she's a very social person. She literally has a better social life than I do, man. She's always out and about, always at different events and, you know, gatherings or whatever the case, man. Half of Orlando knows her. Like, she's literally everywhere, man, and into everything. So, with all this whole thing, the COVID thing has been going on, man, she has been going through it, man, because she can't be out there like that anymore. So let me go and pick her up, bring her back over to Tampa, hang out with the grandkids and the family and everything else, so that she can kind of take her mind away from things, man. So we're gonna go pick her up right now. I'm telling you what, man, Orlando is freaking horrible. Damn, this construction is horrible. If you, like I told my man, Philly Double R, if you just put H&R Springs on, if you are in the Orlando or Tampa area, Central Florida area, and you just put any kind of springs on your car, and you are, you know, trying to get them settled, just drive through Orlando, man. Drive through downtown downtown Orlando, and trust me, you will get your springs settled in no time, because it's nothing but construction and bumps and everything else, man. But anyway, man, so we are here. I'm about to pull up to where she actually where I'm gonna meet her at, because I'm not meeting her all at the crib, because that's another 30 minutes. So I'm about to meet her in another location, and then you know, pick her up, man. We're gonna go back to the crib. So I might get back with y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so we are back, man. I am back at my garage. Sorry, I just almost stepped over my dog. But we are back in the garage with some good news and some bad news, man. Some tragic news. But here you go, man. In case y'all wondering what that noise is in the background, that is my good boy, my good buddy Dexter, hanging out. Boy, I don't know why my wife decided to put this Christmas collar thing on him, but she's been like in the Christmas mood lately, man. Like, she literally has been watching Christmas movies for like the last couple weeks. After, you know, we're done with all the day's activities, she'll go upstairs. I'm gonna put on a Christmas movie from like Netflix or something. I don't know. She's been in the Christmas mood, man. And then today we woke up today, and she had this Christmas collar on this dog. Weird, man. Anyway, but so let's go ahead and go over here, man. I already kind of prepped this. I already took off the, you know, the caps here. By the way, this was covered. All this stuff here, man. So we finally got a box back from my guy Tona Garage, man, up in Georgia. And let's see what we got, man. Let's go ahead and unravel some of this stuff. Boom, there you go. Carbon fiber. Hopefully that focuses a little bit. Carbon fiber. This is the oil cap right here, man. Man, no focus. Let's get that. There you go. Carbon fiber oil cap, man. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Oil cap. Boom. That's good. Let's see what else we got in here. Like I said, I kind of already opened some of it. I didn't open this one at all. But I kind of opened some of these already just to kind of look at it. And like I said, he did a dope job, man. Look at that radiator cap. Look at that. Boom. That is dope. And he did a good job, man, to make sure that it didn't, you know, dip this part down here, so it wouldn't be all into, you know, all into my, you know, stuff gets all into my system here. So let's go ahead and put this in. There you go. Radiator cap is nice and tight. All right, and let's see what this is over here. All right, and we got the windshield wiper fluid, or the washer fluid. Man, there you go, washer fluid, nice and done. And as you guys can see again, he didn't dip this part, man. So nothing underneath is dipped. It's just the top part, man. And this is my my oil dipstick cover. Oh, look at that, that's dope. Yeah, man. So we're going to put this stuff back in. Actually, remember the dipstick cover, you have to put that little pin in. So I'm gonna go back inside and push that little pin back in. Let me throw this on real quick. Actually, while I'm out here, I'm gonna go ahead and refill my washer fluid just to make sure I got enough in there. Give me 1 second. All right, there you go, man. So I made sure that my fluid was topped off as far as my washer fluid. Put the cap back on. We got the oil cap right there, radiator cap right there. I gotta go back inside and put that pin back into the dipstick so that we are good to go, man. So tragic piece though, man, of what happened. So as you guys know, man, so even like my my fuse box cover, those covers, my leg maker plate, which he said he was going to send back, by the way, he didn't. But my leg maker plate, you know, there's a few other various things. Oh, my caps for my struts over there. So all of those things, man, we're going to get dipped in the clown, and they didn't, man. So they didn't get dipped. Well, they did get dipped, I'm sorry. So he started with the covers right here, and they were messing up, man. So he called the company. He called me, by the way, to let me know what was going on. So it's not like he just didn't send me back my stuff. He called me, told me what was going on. But basically the gist of it is, I guess the humidity is kind of high right now. So, you know, he's able to dip them and then put the clear on them. But, you know, when they cure, basically, the next day they come out looking all messed up, man. So like they're like kind of like whitewash or something like that. And again, he called the company to see, hey, you know, what's going on, basically, right? Because it happened numerous times, even with the other dip that I was going to go with, the other scheme. And they basically told him that if you got high humidity, then that's, you know, that's where you're going to have problems, potential problems. So that, unfortunately, is the tragedy right now, man. So we cannot add the other pieces and get everything nice and clean up in here, man. So that kind of sucks. And you know, didn't even that. So I'm gonna go ahead and on even my catch can was gonna get dipped a certain color as well. And yeah, man, so we just couldn't do it right now. But it is what it is. You can't predict what's going to happen, man. You know, there's always going to be issues, whatever. You know, little things that you have to overcome. And you know, it's nothing big, nothing major. You know, you just, when you want things done, and you wanna, you know, you're trying to do things or whatever for your car, then you know, sometimes things happen, man. But with that being said, real quick, also another thing that I got from actually somebody that he recommended, Dory's Decals. I'm actually show y'all her card real quick, but she made me this decal, man. So I did get my decal done, a new YouTube banner. So to replace that one right there, and the reason why I'm going to replace that one is because I'm getting ready to do a roof spoiler on here finally for my boy Jose, who sent me that, like, man, probably about 2-3 months ago now. Just never had the opportunity to put it on because I wanted to make sure I put my, you know, my banner back on when I did the roof spoiler. So the roof spoiler, if you guys haven't seen my other videos, my roof spoiler is going to cover that up, so I'm gonna have to take that off and then put another one underneath it, basically. So I needed to get a new one. And by the way, with that roof spoiler, I am going to wrap it in carbon fiber as well, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned to that to see, you know, carbon fiber vinyl, obviously, and see how it's gonna look, man. But let me get this card out for y'all and see if y'all can see this. Is that lining up for y'all? Let me see. My focus be all messed up, bro. There y'all go, man. Dory's Decals, man. Make sure y'all hit her up on Instagram, you know, email, all that good stuff, man. Let her know FaTkaT sent you, man. Take care of all y'all decal needs for you. She, by the way, if you can't read it, man, the Instagram is Dory the 5.0. All right, DORYTHE. Damn, it got dark. Woo. There you go. Boy, what is going on today? I'm hurting today, my camera. Anyway, it is Dory, D-O-R-Y, the T-H-E, and then 5.0. So D-O-R-Y, T-H-E, 5.0, man. So again, make sure y'all check her out. Dory, the 5.0, man. If you need any kind of vinyl needs or whatever, man, make sure y'all hit her up and tell her FaTkaT sent you, man. She sent you out some decals. She did it pretty quick too, man. She was actually on vacation. She still contacted me or messaged me and, you know, everything else through while I was on vacation, or while she was on vacation. She was still corresponding with me. And then she was like, yeah, as soon as I get back, I'm gonna do it, man. So she kept her word, man. As soon as she got back, she basically cut it that night. She told me the day she was gonna be back. And that night she had sent me a picture, basically, you know, for approval. And then she went ahead and cut it, man. So, yep, so there you go, man. So we're gonna do all this stuff. I'm gonna put that back. Oh, let me go ahead and put the oil cap back on real quick so that way you guys can see that in the car as well. I'll be right back, hold on. And there you go, man. So there you go, boom. So all of my carbon fiber pieces are done. All right, got all my carbon fiber caps back. That is what I did want to do. I mean, that's exactly what I did ask him to do. All my caps to be carbon fiber. Actually, I should get a cover for that because that's gonna look kind of awkward now. So I'll probably get one of those covers, maybe from Bill of Technology or something like that, and then probably dip it a different color. So anyway, but we are gonna do that though. So that's coming as well. We'll do that later on. But yeah, man, just wanted to give you guys an update. So like I said, all my caps are in, but I just need to get the rest of the stuff. So he said, hopefully here in a couple of weeks, or maybe, you know, when it starts getting a little bit cooler. Georgia, you know, gets basically the 4 seasons. So basically, hopefully once the fall hits, or, you know, beginning of winter, he will be able to do the rest of the stuff, man. But sucks that I can't get it right now. So I cannot lift my hood yet. That sucks, bro. Cannot lift my hood yet, man. But oh well, it is what it is. Okay, man, we keep it moving, keep it pushing, man. You know what I'm saying? That's all we can do. So other than that, man, just want to give you guys a quick little update of what was going on with the engine bay. The good thing is, I can now drive Christine. Yes, I can now drive her, man. Finally. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, though, comment down below because I really don't know about this. Because I've never had to go through that. Now, granted, I understand this is nothing going to happen here, but would you guys feel safe driving without a cover for your fuse box? That's the only thing that's kind of concerning me. Now, granted, I told him to keep everything that he was supposed to dip with the other, you know, with the other scheme, to keep it, and that's one of them. So, you know, if he did keep it, then that's my fault. If I need it, or if it's the best interest to have it on there while you're driving around, then that is completely my fault, not his. Because again, I told him to keep everything that we're going to dip other than my caps, because I knew obviously I need my caps to drive without, you know, liquid fluid spilling everywhere. So he did do, you know, so he gave me all my stuff, all the stuff that I asked for back. But would you guys drive without a fuse box cover? Huh. So I'll be eager to hear what you guys have to hear about that. So I'm not even going to turn her on right now, give a cold start, because it's been about a couple weeks that I have not driven her or even turned her on. So it's been a couple weeks, man. So that cold start is going to be ridiculous. But we're not going to do that yet until I get feedback about that fuse box cover. And then if it's in the best interest to have it on while we're driving around or whatever, then I'll just tell them to send it back to me for now. And, you know, then we'll send it out later on, man. So anyway, other than that, that's it though. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. I know this last couple, you know, weeks has been kind of boring as far as updates on the car and things like that. But again, I just have not been able to move her, so I haven't been able to attend like meets and things like that, or whatever the case. But like I said, now that I could drive my car potentially, right? We'll hear about that fuse box cover. But now I could get back on the road potentially, man. We're gonna start getting back out there and doing things and so on and so forth, man. So, all right, other than that, that's it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure y'all get y'all merch, because it is now in the merch store, man. All types of styles, colors, everything, man. Make sure y'all go in there. Sizes for everybody up to, I think, 5X. So we got sizes for everybody. We got colors for everybody. We got styles, and like I said, long sleeves, hoodies, man, regular t-shirts with different designs on them, right? And again, all kind. Oh, we got leggings as well. Man, we got coffee mugs, we got all kind of stuff, man. So make sure y'all go to your merch store, man. Link is in the description below. And you know, make sure y'all order you some FaTkaT merch, man. You guys been asking for it, so here it is, man. Shout out to the people that already have ordered some. I've seen that there's been a couple orders that went out already, man. So hey, shout out to everybody who has ordered some merch. Make sure y'all, you know, take a picture, tag me in a photo on IG or whatever the case, man, so we show how cool you are, man, wearing that FaTkaT merch. Make sure y'all also go to my other channel, man. So I started another channel, if you don't know. It is called Off Script, man. Link is in the description below. Completely different from this channel, man. Make sure y'all go down to that channel and hit that subscribe button on that channel as well, as we're trying to grow that one, man. All right, and there's a lot more content that drops on that, probably about 2-3 videos every single day on that channel, man. But again, the link is in the description, man. All right, so other than that, that's it for this one. Boom, there goes Christine. We're almost back up and running. Not really closer to, well, we are a little bit closer to where we wanted to be as far as the engine bay, as far as the candy dress up, but it's all good. Again, we will get there eventually, man. We just have to persevere and keep going, man. Doesn't matter, keep moving, you know what I'm saying? One foot in front of the other, man. That's all that matters, man. Anyway, other than that, I'm your boy FaTkaT. Man, stay humble, stay blessed, stay motivated, right? Stay positive. No matter what happens, man, stay positive, man. It's the most important thing you could do in your life, all right? By the way, RIP Black Panther, man. Can't believe that happened, man. Bro, that is like, bro, 2020 can't, it's like, I don't know, man. 2020 can't be over soon enough, man. People are just dying left and right, tragedy. Almost every single day, man, we're just hearing about more and more and more tragedy, man. Things is going on. Like, it's just crazy, man. People are not loving each other, man. Y'all could call me soft or whatever it is if you want to. I don't care, man. People just need to have compassion and love each other, man. Seriously. I mean, it's just too much hate in the world. And I hate like, oh, man, I'm hating on you because you got, you know, this money, or I'm hating on you, like, as what we consider, oh, you're hating on me. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about real hate, like, real hate. Like, people are hating each other, man, for no reason, man. It just doesn't make any sense whatsoever, man. Like, man, like I said, I just can't wait for 2020 to be over. Hopefully 2021 will be a better year, man. Like I said, and people will start having compassion and love each other again. And you know, that don't mean that you have to, when I say love each other, I don't mean that you have to go out your way to be like, oh my God, I want to make sure you're doing right, this and that. No, but at the same time, don't wish bad on anybody else, man, and you know, just take life for granted pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Like, that is what needs to be, you know, X'd out of the world, man. It's just crazy. Anyway, other than that, that's all I got for this one. Hate to end it on that note, but that's it though. We are back. Christine is back, and we are going to start picking up this channel again, man. We're going to start doing things again, man. Remember, most importantly, stay true to yourself and stay genuine, man, because anything else will be uncivilized. We out of here.